is my new
dishwasher.
for one of my rental property here. As you can see, it's a Frigidaire, and I just want to take you from close proximity to show you how it looks like. So if you look here, you can see two brackets here. Okay, but I want to stick it to this granite here. As you can see, it's actually all of them is remodeling here.
So to attach this dishwasher to the countertop,
Usually, some of the dishwasher have here on the side hole that you can actually screw it, or here you can put a bracket here on the side, but this dishwasher doesn't have it. So what I want to show you, how I'm going to attach this kind of dishwasher to here, to the granite here, with this piece of metal that I purchased. So let me explain to you what I'm going to do. So if you look here, you can see that this piece of metal, okay, it's a stainless steel, and you have here a rough area and here is a smooth area with a lot of holes. Okay, and its size is exactly from here to here is 2 feet. So what I have to do now, I want to actually go and attach this piece of metal to the cabinet, and I want to show you how I'm doing it. But before I'm going to do it, I want to show you that I'm going to attach it to a cabinet, to the top of the cabinet. This smooth area should be towards the dishwasher, while this should be towards the granite. The rough area is toward the granite. And I'm going to actually go in and fold these in this corner, the two corners here that you see. I'm going to fold this in this corner, and then I'm going to attach it. So let me show you how I'm going to fold these two corners first. So this is the first corner I'm going to fold, and remember, it should be like that, which means it should be on the top. That's the top, the rough area is the top. So what I have to do here, I have to take this corner and really fold it down. See, I fold it down the corner here, as you can see it with this plier, and I'm going to fold the other corner down also from here. So what I left now, I left with piece of metal with this kind of thing folded. I'm going to stick it, attach it, these two corners to the cabinet, attach these two corners, you see it here, to the cabinet, and then I'm going to attach these two brackets to this with special screw. So let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so after I fold it, what I'm going to do here, you can see I'm starting from here, from this corner, and it's not exactly 2 feet, it's a little bit bigger than 2 feet, and you just force it, it's flexible. So you force it, and then you really have it. Okay, so you really have it here, attached to this cabinet. On the side of the cabinet, we need to screw it here, and it's actually attached also to the granite. It doesn't attach, but it stays on the granite here, as you can see. So if you look here, this metal which I purchased from Lowe's, it's actually come with kind of screws, and I want to show you the screws that they come from. That's really interesting. So if we open the screw, there's 6 screws here. So this big screw, the longest screw, this is to attach the piece of metal to the cabinet, and these 2 screws to attach the bracket of the dishwasher to the piece of metal. So as you can see, this screw, the small screw that I'm actually holding in my hand, it's probably kind of a quarter of an inch or even less, but that's why you need it, because if you can look here, you can see there is probably here, if you look at my screw, I put a screw here around, you can see why you need to be very short. So that's it, that's why you really need it short. So now what I'm doing, I'm actually just screw it here. So you can see it's already screwed here. I'm going to use the other screw now. So we have two of them here, and it's attached to the cabinet, this piece of metal. I did the same thing from the other side, so I can show you the result. You can see here, okay, the way that this piece of metal is actually attached to the cabinet here. And here is really the granite, okay, and here you attach again to the cabinet from two sides, okay. And what left now is just to put the dishwasher inside. Okay, so as you can see here, I attached already one screw, one small screw here, the short screw. Okay, I push already the new dishwasher in. So here is another screw that I have now to attach. I have to attach another screw, and that's what I want to show you how easy it is to do it. So here what I'm doing here, I'm taking the screw, this very short screw here that you can see, okay, and I'm gonna just drive it to the hole here. One of them is the hole. So that's it. So let me show it from close proximity. So here is the other screw, and that is the other screw. So the job really finished. What I have to do now is just close the door. As you can see, now I can open and close without movement. Let me show you. So here I am. Open, close, no movement. Things done. Thank you for watching this video.